Everybody should always set goals. It's like a roadmap to success and to your life. If we don't have a roadmap, then life throws so many distractions to us all the time. People throw distractions, our family, our friends throw distractions along the way. But if we have a roadmap, so we know exactly where we're going and we know how to get there, and there's a distraction that comes in, then we stay on that path, we stay on that track so that we can actually achieve the things that we want to achieve. And it's really important that we do have that roadmap. So not only do we know what to follow, but we actually know what our end goal is. So when those distractions come, we can always come back into the center and we can keep moving forward. In the moments that we stop, we have a reason to get back on and keep going.